Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to flip through the latest Mythographic release. Now this is an artist that's new to me, so if I butcher the name, sorry. Diego Weisberg, that's how I'm going to say it. So yeah, I had pre-ordered this one on Amazon. It actually came on the release date. I just haven't gotten around to filming it, and I haven't looked through it either, so we're going to do that together. So it is called Illusion. Same nice thick paper, perforated edges if you want to pull them out, and single-sided. Ooh, wow, that's kind of crazy. Ooh, this would be so fun for fall. Look at that one. That's cool too. Oh, the face. How interesting. I think this is the first time this artist has done a mythographic. I don't recall seeing the name before. Very detailed. Not that that's a bad thing, they'll just take a while. Ooh, I like that one. Oh, the color scheme's already coming to me. Purples, blues, pinks, greens. This one's not really for me. Hey, that one's kind of cool. Well, they're like books, open books. Of course, no hidden object stuff. Ooh, I like that one too. Interesting style, that is for sure. A lot of broken portraits, if you notice. Maybe that's one of his signatures. These are pretty nifty though, I'm not gonna lie. I like that one. I feel as though I've seen these images. And no, I haven't watched anyone else's flip through or anything. I'm getting like deja vu vibes. Anyone else getting that when they see some of these? If you are, let me know in the comments below where you think that deja vu is coming from, because like on some of them I'm like, why do I feel like that's familiar? Is it familiar? Is it just me? Could just be me. Ooh, that one would be fun. I'm not sure. Ooh, I kind of like that one. This would be fun to do up for Halloween. That one is a little too busy and too small for my taste. Oh, that one's cool. Some of these I'd have to be really in the mood to tackle just because of the detail. Ooh, this one's fun. Or like just the ideas or ways I'm picturing it in my head. I'd be like, ooh, that's going to take me hours. I'll touch that one later kind of situation. That's interesting. Like corn on the cob and turnips. That's interesting. Yeah, I'm getting major deja vu vibes. I like that one. It's completely random though, isn't it? Mushroom, and then, I mean, it's called Illusion, but some of these I feel like really fit Illusion, you know, like some of those ones were the portraits. Others I'm like, I guess. Like this one doesn't really appeal to me at all. This one does. It's like a dragon slash whatever, whatchamacallit. See, this one fits the name for sure, Illusion. And I actually like that one. That would be pretty fun to color. It's not too bad. Yeah, that's cool too. Except for the snakes. Ugh. Ew. Alright, well, that is it We got a little bit about Diego here. Graphic designer from Buenos Aires. Okay, interesting. I just hadn't heard of that artist before. But yeah, that is Illusion. Let me know if you pre-ordered it, what you thought. And until next time, take care. Bye now.